Have you ever stared at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? Or maybe you're just starting your financial journey and feeling overwhelmed by all the investment jargon. We've all been there. The world of finance can feel like a labyrinth, and finding reliable tools to help you navigate it is crucial. That's where micro-investing apps like Raiz come in. They promise to make investing easy, accessible, and even fun. But with your hard-earned money on the line, a crucial question emerges: can Raiz be truly trusted? For years, investing felt like an exclusive club, reserved for the wealthy and those with complex financial degrees. Then came the era of fintech, democratizing access to financial tools. Micro-investing apps, in particular, shattered the barrier of entry, allowing you to invest even your spare change. Imagine rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and having that difference automatically invested. Sounds appealing, right? Raiz, formerly Acorns in Australia and Southeast Asia, is one of the prominent players in this space. It's built on the idea of making investing so simple, you barely notice you're doing it. But simplicity can sometimes mask complexity, and that's where we need to dig deeper. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. When we talk about trust in a financial platform, several key pillars come to mind: security, regulation, transparency, and performance. How does Raiz stack up against these crucial benchmarks? First up, security. Raiz employs bank-level security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This includes 256-bit SSL encryption, the same standard used by major financial institutions. Your funds are also held by a third-party custodian, meaning Raiz doesn't directly hold your money. This separation of assets adds an extra layer of protection, as your investments are still yours even if something were to happen to Raiz. Furthermore, Raiz is regulated by the relevant financial authorities in the regions it operates. For example, in Australia, it's licensed by ASIC, Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and in Malaysia, it's regulated by the Securities Commission Malaysia. This regulatory oversight provides a framework of rules and guidelines that Raiz must adhere to, offering a level of consumer protection. Next, transparency. Raiz is generally transparent about its fees and how your money is invested. They typically charge a low monthly fee for accounts under a certain balance and a percentage-based fee for larger accounts. These fees are clearly outlined on their website and within the app. As for where your money goes, Raiz invests in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. You choose from a range of diversified portfolios, each with a different risk profile, from conservative to aggressive. Raiz provides detailed information about the underlying ETFs within each portfolio, allowing you to see exactly what you're invested in. Finally, let's talk about performance. While Raiz can't guarantee returns, no investment platform can. Their performance is tied to the performance of the underlying ETFs. These ETFs track various market indices, meaning your returns will generally mirror the broader market. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. While there might be short-term fluctuations, the idea with Raiz, and micro-investing in general, is to build wealth steadily over time through consistent, small contributions and the power of compounding. Think of it like planting a tree: you nurture it consistently, and over time, it grows. Ultimately, the question of whether Raiz can be trusted boils down to understanding its mechanisms and your own financial goals. It's a legitimate platform with robust security, regulatory oversight, and a transparent fee structure. It's designed to simplify investing and make it accessible to everyone, especially those new to the investment world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.